Apple iPhone SE 4 is going to launch sometime in the spring of 2025. According to reports, the fourth generation of iPhone SE is already in mass production. Let's take a roundup and discuss what we know so far about the iPhone SE 4. Before we proceed, please hit that like and subscribe button. Apple iPhones are widely regarded as top-tier premium smartphones, fueling excitement for the upcoming iPhone 16. Amidst this anticipation, tech enthusiasts are also eagerly awaiting the next generation of Apple's budget-friendly iPhone SE series. It has been some time since Apple last introduced a new iPhone SE model. Since the series debuted in 2016, only 3 models have been released, with the iPhone SE 2022 being the latest. However, this year, Apple is rumored to break this interval with the launch of the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature significant upgrades over its predecessors, including a larger display, a more powerful processor, enhanced cameras, and additional improvements. Here's a comprehensive look at everything we know so far about the next-gen budget Apple phone, the iPhone SE 4. Before we proceed, hit that subscribe button in case you forget later. Enhanced display. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to boast a larger 6.1-inch display, a significant bump from its predecessor's 4.7-inch screen. It seems Apple is steering clear of smaller-sized phones this time around. Leaked renders from reliable sources suggest that the iconic Touch ID button might make way for Face ID authentication. And yes, brace yourself for a notch reminiscent of the iPhone 13 and 14 series. Recent leaks have also hinted at wireless charging capabilities through MagSafe and an impressive 6.1-inch OLED screen with full HD resolution. Reports indicate that the iPhone SE 4, codenamed Ghost, could take design cues from the base model iPhone 14, offering a sleeker profile compared to its predecessors. Upgraded cameras. iPhone SE 4 is getting a big-time camera upgrade. Rumors suggest a substantial upgrade with a 48-megapixel sensor, promising sharper and more detailed images. Additionally, whispers of a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter add to the device's photographic prowess. Performance. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to pack a punch with the A16 Bionic chip, a significant upgrade from the A15 chip found in its predecessor. Whether you're snapping photos or breezing through tasks, expect smoother performance and faster speeds. Now talking about the price. According to a tipster on X, formerly Twitter, the upcoming iPhone SE 4 is expected to be priced slightly higher than its predecessor. While Apple aims to keep the price under $499, it's a modest jump from the previous affordable iPhone started at $429. So, what could justify this price increase? Rumors suggest that the iPhone SE 4 might sport a more modern design, inspired by the iPhone 14, along with the addition of Face ID. These upgrades would certainly make the new model more appealing and could explain the slight bump in cost. Given that it's been quite a while since the last iPhone SE was released, a price hike doesn't come as a huge surprise. With these potential enhancements, the iPhone SE 4 seems poised to offer more value while still being a budget-friendly option in Apple's lineup. Launch date anticipation. The iPhone SE 4 is still in its early developmental stages, but if the buzz from industry insiders is anything to go by, we might see its grand debut sometime in 2025. While we wait for Apple to confirm these details, the buzz around the iPhone SE 4 keeps growing. If these new features are true, the SE 4 could set a new standard for affordable smartphones, offering great features at a lower price. Keep an eye out for more news as we continue to follow the latest updates on the iPhone SE 4. Apple might surprise us soon. So what are your thoughts about the upcoming Apple iPhone SE 4? Do you like the compact design? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.